Okay, so here we are, we're having a look at the new radio. This is the first little part of my video. So what you got here is you can see that this first photo particularly has the volume knob on it. The second photo does not have a volume knob on it. I want the one with the volume knob on it.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to this. Doesn't seem to be a thing to not get the volume knob on it. Because I don't know if you've ever tried to use these little volume buttons while you're out driving, but it sucks absolute ass. So if I can have a backup little volume knob, that'll be sweet. I want this one here. I'm going to add this one to the car, but I'm not going to pay for it yet. What I like about this one, you get the volume. Now it's just getting ridiculous. Here I am for $39 Australian, but it has $6 postage. Okay, but
That's good.
16 people.
I'm just going to put this coupon on.
eBay has coupons?
Now we got coupon, and we're going to add it to the cart. I don't think it's going to get any cheaper than that. $39 plus $6 postage, making it $45. But then I've put the coupon on, making it $39. $40. So this is what we're buying. Let's see what shows up. I bought it on eBay. $50 radio, it's time, bro. Yeah, pick this up to go with a little $8,000 a year. Now, you would probably think I would not spend $50 on a radio for this car, because it's a lot of money for me at least. I know there's going to be some people have escaped the matrix, so to speak, and can afford to spend more than $600 on a radio. But I was like, it was so good last time, and it was smaller. How bad could it be for bigger than $50? So let's open this guy up. So for $50, I mean, it's not a bad looking unit. I haven't installed it yet, obviously. So we'll see what the actual screen looks like. But man, you get your little camera as well. And I'm going to put a link to this in below. And you get a little remote for, you know, the backseat drivers. Yeah, what I'm mainly looking for is radio, Bluetooth, reversing camera. SD card and USB is pretty cool as well for camping trips, but I'll probably still just use my phone because I wouldn't want to drain the car battery like that if I was parked. And I don't have infinite money just to be running the radio while being parked for like, the engine for like 4 hours while I'm watching a movie. But it is cool to have that option there. So we're going to go document the install process. You can see we've got a wiring diagram, so that is a big plus. So it shouldn't be too bad. Alright guys, here we are. We've got the finished product over here. Bluetooth works seamlessly. Now I'm sorry I'm going to have to talk real loud to get over the top of this tractory car. Here we got this reversing camera. Straight in. The only criticisms I have of this thing, well, essentially they're very minute. So you turn it off, you turn it back on. And you know, a little bit of loading time, so you're probably looking at about 3-4 seconds for it to boot up. But for $43, it's more than expected. And the world's cheapest intro. I want to see if there's a way to change that in the settings. Like if I can change it to like, I don't know, Rally Art or something. But yeah, all the touch is quite responsive. Very easy to use radio. Essentially this takes, and with the buttons that it still retains, it takes all the best assets of a analog radio and combines it with a touchscreen radio. And let's see if we can get this on camera. The MirrorLink actually surprisingly works. So not only does the Bluetooth work, but the MirrorLink works. So let's see if it'll let me do it while I'm filming. Probably not. Okay, this is a bit of a trip out, but you can kind of see how it just mimics whatever's on the screen. That's what MirrorLink is. So you can hook your maps up to it and then not lock your phone. And for this specific car, this is awesome because I've got this little nook. But you haven't got anywhere to put your phone while it's not locked. I guess you could always use a little vent holder or something like that, but then it defeats the purpose of having the maps on that little screen. And it does cut off, like it does have a little bit of a artificial bezel on it. So realistically, if I put my phone on top of this, I think my phone's actually bigger. So it is what it is, but it is pretty cool. It is cool for novelty reasons and the fact that you can have, you know, your GPS up there and control your Spotify and stuff. But yeah, I think I'll probably just be using the maps in a little vent car holder and just using the Bluetooth for Spotify. But it is cool to have there as an option, or if you're camping and you want to watch a movie there and not hold up your phone. But yeah, everything works, like, and honestly, it's not even laggy, apart from the boot up process, which is only about 4 or 5 seconds. So for $43 Australian, mind you, so that's like $30 American, £20. Can't complain. It actually looks decent. Like, it looks decent in there. I'll have another video coming out on like actually Triton related to the install process, and that'll probably just be a YouTube short. But yeah, no, really good. 5 out of 5 stars, honestly. And we managed to get it real neat and nice by cutting off the fascia. So what I did was the sides still fit in and the tops didn't. So if you look in there, you can see that there's a little bit of a gap. But it's not really noticeable from where you're sitting. So what I did was I just cut the top and the bottom of the fascia off, and it was just able to fit in perfectly.